Folks, we're going to roll right into this video here. I am seeding alfalfa here right now, and this is going to be a drone retrieval video. I figured I haven't done one of these in a while. Not that I actually want to get into the habit of showing you how I retrieve a drone out of a tree, because usually that isn't what I do. But it has happened on a couple occasions here, and it just so happens I ended up putting my drone into a tree here Wednesday morning, trying to capture some footage of some lightning off in the background. It was about 5 o'clock in the morning, and I kind of lost track of how far away from me the drone was, and I ended up putting it into a tree some 60 feet off the ground. We had a couple attempts of getting it out of the tree, and you'll see here in the video as to how we ended up getting that drone out of the tree. So I'll have a planting video here in the next couple days, but I just thought I'd throw this video up there quickly, and we'll come back at you in a couple days with a seeding video here. So enjoy the rest of the video, folks, and if you like this video, remember to hit the thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button, and drop me a comment down below, you know, all the happy jazz. So enjoy the video, folks. We'll catch you at the end. Alright, we're retrieving a drone out of a tree. We've got a drone caught in that tree right there, so we're going to see if we can't get that out of there. So we got the telehandler over here, got some rope and a chainsaw, and we're going to try to pull the branch down that's where it's hooked to. Alright, we did not have any success yesterday getting this drone out of the tree. So we brought the lift over here. Now, this drone, the sun is going to blind us, but see if I can get behind a branch. It is way up there. You can almost see it. Not quite though. So we're gonna get the lift up there and we're gonna retrieve that drone. Yesterday we tried pulling on a couple of the branches and that just did not work. But that drone is right straight up on that outside branch. You can almost see it right. I can't look through that right about there. So we're gonna climb up there with the Genie lift here, and this will lift. I believe it's 60 feet. I don't think it goes 80 feet. I think it goes 60 feet. But we should be able to get up there to retrieve that. I just measured the height with the drone, the other drone, and it is 50 feet off the ground. So that's not too bad anyways. Alright, we are almost there. Oh man, I don't want to drop it. Alright folks, there it is. It is right here. But I gotta get both hands on it. So, there. We got her. Okay. There it is, right there. So, see, we got her. So I'm gonna safely put this down here. And we're gonna land the other drone because I don't think I got enough battery. So we're gonna retract the boom here. So I'm gonna very carefully go down here. We're up pretty high. 50 seconds. Okay, that's that. So I got some damage to the props here when it went into the trees there, but I've got a new set of them. At least the gimbal's not hurt. Nothing's hurt on it, so we were able to salvage it anyway. So now we got to land that one without any problems. Alright, we just just gonna bring this one down. Okay, we're going to box everything up and get this thing back to the trailer and get it loaded and get back to plant here. So, okay, we'll join you back when we get back to the road and get this thing loaded back up. Alright, we've got this all chained down now, and now we better get to putting seedings in here. So, enough of the screwing around, but we got that drone recovered anyways without any damage to it. So, we're going to jump into 7290. We just loaded in a bunch of alfalfa bags into the drill, into the large boxes. We carry the seed in the large boxes, and then I seed with the small box. Then I have all the alfalfa seed right with me. So with that being said, that's going to do it for this video, folks, and we'll catch you at the next one here. Thanks for watching.